Hi everyone, this is Miss Ayers, and welcome to Lesson 3 of our ELA book, The Earth Dragon Awakens. Today our learning target is I can identify points of view of characters. After listening to the story, our two vocabulary words that we're going to focus on are scatter and missiles. Scatter means to separate or go in different directions. Missiles is an object that is thrown, shot, or launched as a weapon, especially a rocket that explodes when it hits a distant target. You can see our two images of scatter and missile. In listening to our story, we are thinking about points of view of our characters. A point of view is the way the author allows you to see or hear a text. You can have point of view in first person, third person. It is the perspective or how a character sees something. Perspectives can be different for each person. Let's think about point of view of Henry as his point of view changed when it comes to his father. Let's think about that for just a minute. How does Henry's point of view about his father change? Great job. Now let's take a couple minutes to think about our next two questions. How do the descriptions on page 43 help you understand more fully how the people in Chinatown react to the earthquake? Question 2. How do the reactions of people where the Travis family lives compare with the reactions of people in Chinatown? Let's look at our answers. Our first question, how do the descriptions on page 43 help you understand more fully how the people in Chinatown react to the earthquake? Well, it says, the scene helps to be one of panic. People are throwing everything they own onto the streets in an effort to save their possessions. It seems as if they're beginning to desert Chinatown in hopes of finding someplace safer. The word possessions means things that they might own. So we're seeing people throwing all of their things out into the streets. How do the reactions of people where the Travis family live compare to the reaction of people in Chinatown? Many people seem to have settled into their possessions on the streets or lawns. Although there are fires to be put out, some people seem quite relaxed, such as a neighbor who sips tea from her china on page 55. Others are determined to walk safer places and leave San Francisco behind, like the Smith family. So we're seeing two very different reactions, two very different perspectives from two different communities. In the fourth paragraph, it says, once Henry wanted to be like Marshall Earp, one of his characters in his Penny Dreadfuls. Now he wants to be like his father. What evidence in the text indicates why Henry changed his point of view about his father? Let's think about that now. Take a minute to think about how does Henry's perspective change? It says he now wants to be like his father. He no longer thinks his father is a loser. Watching how his father responded to the earthquake by jumping in to help neighbors in dangerous situations and keeping his family safe. Our summary question says Henry's opinion about his father changed. Have you ever felt one way about something or someone and your opinion changed? Take a minute now and think about that. Great job, everyone. Now, I want you to take 30 minutes to complete the task card that is located in the forum on Google Classroom. Have a great day and stay safe.